Alright, my friends, this is a new thing that I am doing today. So I've pre-shuffled all these cards. I'm quickly shuffling the tarot card here for you as well. This is a quick kind of a speed dial or a speed tarot that we are doing for the month of September for all signs, which starts with the fire sign, which is the Aries sign. So I'm just going to pick up cards randomly from here, which is your overall message, and also for maybe your career and relationship opportunities. All right, so all these cards are pre-shuffled. All right, so let's pick up for Aries. Now Aries here, I see, wow, this is such a positive card. It is Three of Cups. I see when it comes in career, there is definitely some sort of celebration happening in your life. So that is a great positive card. Maybe whatever that you were going through till now, you've overcome that. There is a new achievement. Your bosses are recognizing you. So yes, this is a very, very good positive card. There is some sort of celebration happening in terms of career for you. So I'll just shuffle this card back and keep it ready for the next. Okay, and all right, from here let's pick up a card. Then I also get Two of Spring, which is another when it comes to relationship. Okay, you do have a bright future ahead when it comes to relationship. However, you need to ensure that you partner with somebody who shares your dream. At this point in time with this, I see that you are you are still taking it slow. You are not ready to commit at this point in time. This is what I see. So you are still taking it slow, and you do require somebody to partner with you who is on the same page like you are. So that is for my Aries friends, for career and for relationship. The overall messages that I get for you is from the Power of Love is detachment. Okay, so this is especially if you're going through any sort of attachment which is no longer serving you. Detach that. Okay, you are release all your old patterns, release patterns that do not serve you well, release something that is not of the highest good for you, and detach from it. Detach from people who do not serve you right. Detach from your old habits. Detach from your career opportunities that does not serve you right. Hence you will be able to celebrate, and hence you will be able to get something new in your life. And from the overall oracle message that I get from the Keepers of Light oracle deck, this is a very beautiful message, which is psychic insight. Open your third eye. Your third eye is open. See the truth, what it is. Follow your intuition. So basically what spirit guides are asking you at this point in time is to follow your intuitions. All right, so this is the message that I get for my friends who are Aries. Okay, let's go to the next fire sign. Let's go to the next sign, which we will go to Leo. All right, so let's check the overall message for my Leo friends. Okay, the career message for Leo friends. So the career that gets, so you have Seven of Wands at this point in time. Seven of Wands. All right. Okay, this is not such a great card at this point in time. I see that you're juggling to check for interviews. I see that you are juggling to check for new opportunities. I see that while you are juggling for new interviews, new opportunities, there will be something coming your way. So do not be very disheartened. You definitely do have something coming your way. There is a little bit of self-assurance, self-fight that is going on at this point in time with you, but do not worry, there will be something new coming your way shortly. Okay, so at this point in time, take a break. When things are not working right, just take a break. It will happen. For your love and relationship, just let me quickly pull one card for you. Okay, so this is card number 15. It is the illusion of being trapped. This is a devil's card actually in the regular tarot deck, which is a Capricorn energy. You must be dealing with a Capricorn energy, or you may be having Capricorn in your chart. There is some toxicity that is hampering your relationship, my Leo friends, at this point in time. Do not worry about that. You maybe feel that you're trapped in some sort of illusion. You maybe feel that you're caught up in this kind of relationship. This is a relationship that's not serving you well. Do not worry about that. We will pick up the oracle messages for you that will tell you what you need to do. At the end of the day, if you're into any relationship, it's your prerogative whether you want to be in a toxic relationship or no. But this kind of relationship right now you're contemplating, it could be some sort of external addiction that your partner is going through, which is hampering your relationship. It could be some sort of drug abuse, alcohol, or you may be going through some sort of drug abuse or alcohol, or some sort of toxicity which is hampering your relationship, or some internal toxicity which is not serving you right. So that is what I'm getting for September relationship. But then you know the answers and you know how to work on it, all right? And exactly this is what the power of love is talking about. It's saying have patience. You are able to let the universal energy of transformation move according to its own loving rhythm. So have patience, my Leo friends, at this point in time. Take a deep breath and then make a decision on what you need to do for your future commitments. All right, we'll also take another oracle overall message to sum up your reading, my Leo friends. And here, Freya, the goddess Freya. My God, my Buddha just stumbled up. Okay. The goddess Freya, which is phases and cycle. There is a beginning within every ending. Illusions are revealed and realized. So the illusion that you were going through in your relationships, your career, that will come up in front of you, and you will realize from here what you need to do next. Okay, so do not worry. As moon, we all go through phases. So this is a phase that you're going through, which will shortly end. Okay, so let's go to the next sign, which is the Saggy. All right, my Saggy friends, let's take a quick peek at what is happening in your career at this point in time for September. Dear spirit guides, please help my Sagittarius friends understand what is happening in career. All right, so I'll just pick this card for you. All right, okay, I think I did not shuffle this well. Let me just shuffle it again, or maybe if it's the same card it will come up. Do not worry. Okay, see, it is definitely the same card that was wanting to come up, which is again Seven of Wands. Do not worry, there are situations where you're contemplating on what to do with your job, what is happening in your career opportunities, similar like my Leo friends. Okay, so do not worry, keep a positive mind. There will be new structure, new openings coming your way. This is actually fire energy. It is the energy of Leo, Sagittarius and Aries. So just take patience, take a break, and then there will definitely be new opportunities coming your way. Let's talk about your relationships here. We have Queen of Autumn. Okay, that's lovely. It's an earth energy. Maybe you're dealing with an earth sign, which could be Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, or you could have Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn in your chart. Be practical. Have respect in this relationship. The ability to make anything more beautiful. Meeting someone who can help your dreams come true. So you will definitely be meeting somebody who is generous, who's stylish, who's practical, who's all with grace. A practical love is coming your way, my Sagittarius friend. Okay, so keep an open mind for this practical person in the month of September, for whoever can resonate with this, who's coming, who will help you make your dreams come true. Maybe you guys will, start something together. Maybe you both will meet in a possibility. We are collaborating with work, and then you may fall in love. So that is also a possibility. Let's take a look at power of love. Elevation. You are making the conscious decision to rise your vibration of love. Absolutely. Okay, this resonates with your relationship card. If you are making a conscious decision to rise your vibration of love, you will meet somebody who is practical, who's not your better half, but who is a whole person, and you are a whole person, right? And that two whole person are here to evolve each other, to love each other, and to be with each other. So this is a very beautiful card, my Saggy friends, that's come up for you guys. And let's take a quick peek of your overall guidance from your spirit guides that we get here, which is Maradha. Wow, what a beautiful card, my Sagittarius friends. I could not have felt so better. I mean, this is such an amazing card. Who is Radha in the If you take a look at the Hindu religion, Radha is somebody who is an absolute soul flame. She is somebody who rediscovers. She is somebody who lives in harmony, in healing, and she is an excellent relationship maker. So this is a great card that you have received. You have received the blessings of Ma Radha. All right, lovely. So let's move on to our next set of star sign. Okay, so we'll go to Gemini, how do you pronounce that? All right. So my dear friends, for the month of September, my dear Gemini, okay, what you see is Six of Cups. This is for your career that is walking away. There is a healing that you require. So maybe the current job that you were into was not serving you right. You were having messed up relationships with your bosses. You were not happy. Overall, you are not happy, so you will be walking away from this current job, and definitely walking away means letting go and going through new opportunity. So do not worry about that. When it comes to relationship, let's take a quick look. Okay, Nine of Spring. Okay, this means that you are in a relationship which needs a little bit of labor, which needs a little bit of protection, which needs a little bit of there is a possibility that is in this relationship you must be going through some sort of challenges, but do not worry. I think you need to take a break from within, to protect this relationship. If you really want to continue with this relationship, all you need to do is you need to prepare for all the possible challenges that's coming your way. I think a heart-to-heart conversation always helps. So think about that when it comes to in terms of relationship. Let's talk about your overall energy from the Power of Love deck. It says purpose. This is a very beautiful card which says you possess the determination and dedication to consciously demonstrate love. Look at this. It totally resonates with this card, Nine of Springs, which is which I was talking about, that says that you may be having possible challenges, but you need to protect your relationship. So you have to understand what's the higher purpose that you are in this relationship with, or for, or with whoever that you are into this relationship, and to demonstrate your love, you need to understand with determination, with a conscious effort, that is this serving you right? Is this good for you? All right. Also, let's pick up an overall energy or overall message from the spirit guide. So you have the blessings of the Holy Spirit. Expect miracles. I think this is resonating in terms of career. Remember that only love is real. Miracles will occur naturally. Spirit has your back. So do not worry, my dear Gemini friends. You do have miracles coming your way. Just keep the faith, keep your mind, your conscious and your heart clear, and let the miracles flow in your life. Lovely reading. Okay, next we'll go on to our Libra friends. Okay, so my dear friends, Libra. All right, you have Five of Coins, which is in terms of career. It's not a very positive card. It is walking away. It is, again, a very distressed. It's something that is very disturbing. So the career job, or the current job or the current career that you are into is not serving you right, and it is a possibility that in the month of September you may take actions and you may walk away from this career which is very toxic and which is not giving you the happiness that you're looking for. So this is your overall energy for career. Obviously it will not resonate for all, but for the ones that it resonates with. Okay, I'm sorry, let me just shuffle this once again. All right, now this is a beautiful card which has come in the month for my Libran friends, which is for the month of September. You are receiving a very emotionally fulfilling relationships. So if there is any new relationship that is coming your way, it will be emotionally fulfilling. Overall, the energy of this relationship is that you will be having a good time with your family and your children, for the ones who are married, for the ones who are looking to seek new love. And if you are getting new love, you will be getting somebody or someone in your life that you can trust and you can be happy with. All right, now let's talk about your overall message from the Power of Love deck, which says forgiveness. You are now able to activate the power of love in order to release past hurts. I think this has got more to do, I'm picking up this energy more to do with your career and your job, that you're not happy right now. You will take a very, very strong decision and you will walk away, and I think you will walk away in peace. I have a feeling, for the ones who are resonating, my Libran friends, that you're not going to do a lot of halla gulla masti. You're just going to walk away in peace. You're going to understand your power is not your power is not to give by creating a chaos, but your power is by releasing what has hurt you in the past, and forgive and walk away. Very beautiful message that you have received. Let's also pick an overall message from your spirit guides for the month of September for my Librans. Spirit guides, what is the message for the month of September for my Libran friends? Okay. All right. So we have El Moria. Oh, this is a very, very beautiful card. This is Awakening Presence. This is exactly what you need. When you have to walk away from someone, you need an awakening presence from someone and a job. Anything that is toxic, you need an awakening presence. You need to understand that you need to awaken your heart, your mind, your body and your soul, and the universe is with you. So do not worry, my friends, my Libran friends. The universe is with you. Wear a cloak of protection and love. Wear around you a bubble, like an imaginary bubble that protects you, that loves you and nurtures you and helps you. So this is your overall message that I get for my friends, which is my Libran friends for the month of September. So let's go to my Aquarius friends. So, okay. My God, I keep getting 7 of Wands. I think I'm not shuffling this card very well. Okay. Sorry. All right. Here we go. Aquarian. So for my Aquarian friends, you have Queen of Swords. Somebody who is very fierce. Somebody who is going to take control. So in your career this month, you are the one who's going to take control over your job opportunities. You are the one who's going to take control. You're going to be in the leadership quality. You are the one who will be in overall power when it comes to your career, your job in this month of September, which is a great card. Also in terms of relationship, we have 8 of Winter. So you do have what it takes, okay, but you need to believe in yourself. All right, so 8 of Winter is generally 8 of Swords if you take a look at the normal tarot deck, and that we are talking about is the air sign you are dealing with. Okay, of course you may have that in your chart, or you're also dealing with a fellow air sign. This is talking about where you need to work more of self-love. You need to work more on yourself at this point in time, okay, because you are in a self-imprisonment. This is for some of you, obviously, with whoever it resonates with. It's like a blindfold in your eye, where you have got a mental block. So a lot of people who've been hurt in the past when it comes to relationship must have felt that this is not going to happen to me again. No, there is new love waiting for you. You will definitely find new love, but get rid of the self-pity mode, get rid of the self-blockage that you have at this point in time, and believe you me, you will, when you get into the higher vibration, you will definitely find self-love. So the overall message that I get for you from Power of Love deck is individuality. See, this is exactly what resonates, right? Get into your individuality mode. You leave your unique stamp of love on everything you do. So only when you get into the self-love mode, when you try to appreciate yourself, when you get into the self-decision mode, leave away self-pity, leave away things that's not serving you right, you will get the right amount of love that you are looking for. You will get the passionate love that you are looking for. And then the overall message from the spirit guides that you get is Mother Diana, or our spirit guide Diana. So it's saying focused intention, think about what you desire, set your sights high, expect the best possible outcome. Okay, this is a perfect message I think that my Aquarian friends can get, is get away from the low life. Set your boundaries, go ahead and set that high expectation that you're looking for. So this is a very, very beautiful message that I see for you guys from the Oracle messages. Bye.